Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the 3DS won't die mid-reset. Charge to at least 50% or connect the AC adapter. Once powered, back up any saves on the SD card or use the transfer tool or cloud, because formatting deletes local data. Make sure you know the Nintendo Network ID, email, and password. You may need it to unlink or relink accounts later. Now open System Settings and get ready to follow the next precise steps to wipe the system. You navigate to System Settings, tap Other Settings, then swipe to the final page. This is where the Format System Memory option lives. Once you select it, read every on-screen warning. This clears the internal memory and deletes saved system data, but usually not SD card files unless you choose that option. When prompted, confirm through the multiple dialogues. The console asks more than once to prevent accidents. Make sure to follow each confirmation. It's a deliberate, irreversible process. You wait patiently while the 3DS formats. Do not power off or close the lid while the progress indicator runs, because interruption can corrupt the system. Once finished, the console will reboot to initial setup. Reinsert the SD card only after completing setup if you backed up saves externally. If the system hangs or won't boot, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown, then restart with the adapter connected. If problems persist, verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.